In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a saved items list. If you've already created a saved list and want to update it, this process is quick and easy. Whether you need to change the name of the list, add a note to make it easier to recognize later, remove products you no longer need, or simply rearrange the order of the items, everything can be done in just a few moments. To get started, first log into your account, make sure you're signed in properly so you can access your personal saved content. Once you're in, go to the My Saved Items section. This is where all of your saved lists are stored, so if you've created more than one, take a moment to find the specific list you want to update. Now, when you see the list you want to change, open it. This will take you into the full view of that list where you can review everything that's currently saved inside. Before making changes, it's a good idea to quickly scan the list so you know exactly what you'd like to update. Next, click Edit List. This opens the editing options and allows you to make changes to the list details as well as the items inside it. From here, you can rename the list if the current title no longer fits. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify later, especially if you manage multiple lists. You can also add notes if needed. Notes are helpful for reminders, extra context, or anything else that will make the list more useful when you come back to it. If there are products you no longer want in the list, remove those items now. This helps keep the list clean and relevant. You can also reorder the products however you like. For example, you might want to place the most important items at the top, group similar products together, or organize the list in the order you plan to use it. Taking a moment to arrange things clearly can make the list much easier to work with later. Once you finish making all of your updates, save the changes. This is the final step, and it ensures that all of your edits are applied properly. After that, you're done. Your saved items list is now updated and ready to use. If needed, you can always come back later and repeat the same process anytime you want to make additional changes.